Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to invisibly join around with the invisible slip stitch and the chainless starting double crochet. So let's get started.
Normally, to join in round with slip stitch either in the top of the beginning chain 3, and that chain 3 is counted as a first double crochet with slip stitch in the top, like so. Or if it's not counted as the first double crochet, you can omit this and you slip stitch in the first double crochet. This is the normal join. And we start the round with 3 chains counted as the first double crochet, and then we continue working the double crochet round. So here I have a flat round crocheted with double crochet and rounds, and this is the middle of the turning chain and slip stitch in top of turning chain. This middle leaves a visible end of the round, like you see here, like a line or a range. So today I'm going to show you how to eliminate this line of the turning chains, or where the join, the beginning and the end of the rounds meets. So I'm gonna start with a chainless starting double crochet. This is a replacement for that turning chain that you would normally have to work to get up to the correct type of double crochet. So instead of making it a chain 3 and making a turning chain, I'm gonna do the chainless starting double crochet. So what you need to do is to stretch the loop on your hook a little bit taller than your normal double crochet. Hold on the loop on the hook with your finger. Bring the hook forward and underneath, then to yarn over, and then insert your hook in the same stitch. Here I have to work in the space here of the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on the hook. So that's great, what we call a starting double crochet. So I'm going to work my double crochet round until I get back around, so I can show you how to join in the round. I'm going to work my double crochet in the ring. As you may see, my chainless starting double crochet is identical to the other normal double crochet. So I'm now back around to the beginning of the round. So instead of inserting into the top of this chainless starting double crochet, I'm gonna do the invisible slip stitch. So normally for a slip stitch you would insert the hook into the top of 2 loops of this stitch. This stitch has the same shape in top as the normal double crochet, so it has the same 2 loops or 2 strands in top. So we would normally slip stitch like so: yarn over, pull through the 2 loops and the loop on the hook. This is the normal slip stitch. So what I'm going to do is to work it differently. So I'm going to stretch that loop on the hook. I'm gonna take my hook out of that loop and bring it to the back of the work and insert it from back to front in top of the first or the chainless starting double crochet from back to front. Turn your work. Bring back the loop on the hook and pull it through the 2 loops. So now, as you can see, that join is almost invisible. Now I'm going to start my second round. I'm going to use the same method to start my round. So I'm going to stretch a little bit my loop on the hook, a little bit taller than your usual double crochet. Take with your finger your loop, bring the hook forward underneath to yarn over and insert the hook in the same stitch that I was it was not large enough. So insert the hook in the stitch that I'm in, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through the 2 first loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops on the hook. And I'm going to work my round with my usual double crochet. In the end of the round, I'm going to use the slip stitch join method, the invisible slip stitch. I finished my third round, which is the last one, and I'm going to join. I'm not going to slip stitch, but I'm going to show you another method that is completely invisible. So cut the yarn, in those 2 loops of my first chainless starting double crochet, insert your hook from front to back. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Now I'm going to insert the hook in the back loop of my last double crochet from back to front. This is the back loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. To hide the tail, I'm going to use my needle. In the wrong side, I'm going to hide my tail. Cut the two ends. If we compare the two rounds, we can see the difference. It's completely obvious. So you can use this round as a coaster, just add a mini agent like twisted single crochet, reverse single crochet, or slip stitch aging that we saw in the last quick tips, and it will make a perfect coaster. That's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I love it, so I hope you do. I would love you to give me thumbs up, because when you give me thumbs up, it means that you've liked this video and really helps my channel. So click on the little button, please. See you soon in my next video. Take care for now. Bye.